Just moved and feeling off, lonely, or not like yourself? You are not alone. Relocation depression is more common than people realize, and it can happen even after a move you were excited about. A move can disrupt your routine, support system, and sense of comfort all at once. New surroundings, unfamiliar faces, and added stress can lead to feelings of sadness, anxiety, or frustration. The first step is recognizing that these feelings are normal and temporary. Give yourself time to adjust. It takes a while to feel settled in a new place. Try to create a routine as soon as possible. Even simple habits like morning walks or regular meals can help restore a sense of normalcy. Staying connected is important. Reach out to friends and family, even if they are far away. At the same time, look for ways to build new connections. Exploring your neighborhood, joining local groups, or trying new activities can help you feel more grounded. Take care of yourself during this transition. Get enough rest, eat well, and move your body when you can. If feelings of sadness or isolation start to feel overwhelming or last longer than expected, talking to a professional can be very helpful. Adjusting after a move takes time, but with patience and support, it does get easier. Want more expert tips and free moving quotes? Visit movers.com, and also you can email us at contactus@movers.com or call us at 866-343-1243 to connect with trusted movers and make your next move smarter, easier, and more affordable.